Hello dear children, I am Rajat. I hope you all are well. So, what is entrepreneurship? Almost all definition of entrepreneurship includes initiative taking, the organizing and reorganizing of social economic mechanism to turn resources and situation to practical account, the acceptance of risk or failure. So this involves as a process of entrepreneurship. So children, again we can see there are some practical approach about entrepreneurship, a new style of doing business, an approach, way of seeing things and of doing things differently, style of management, high risk activity, ability to see change, difficulties as a business opportunity. So, who is an entrepreneur? To the economists, an entrepreneur is one who brings resources, labor, materials, and other assets into combination that make their value greater than before order. So, that person is known as entrepreneur. Reason for becoming an entrepreneur: to increase earning, to introduce a new and creative idea, to provide a needed services, to enjoy the satisfaction of developing your own successful venture, to become your own boss. So these are qualities of a successful entrepreneur, or the reason why you are becoming an entrepreneur. So it involves some more activities becoming an entrepreneur. So key elements in entrepreneur's background: what affects supportive childhood family environment. Having a parent who is self-employed helps. Education is more important. Age 22 to 45 when starting venture. Work history: dissatisfied with company job but has technical knowledge. So all these key elements make a person become an entrepreneur. So there are some rewards of entrepreneurship: opportunity to gain control over one's own destiny, opportunity to reach one's full potential, opportunity to benefit financially, opportunity to contribute society and be recognized for one's effort, freedom for supervision and rules of bureaucratic organization, freedom from routine, boring and unchallenging jobs, freedom for the limits of standardized pay. So these all activities are the rewards of entrepreneurship. And become an entrepreneur, you have to keep these things in your mind. For a successful entrepreneur, mistakes entrepreneurs make: confidence, uncontrolled growth, poor location, improper inventory control, incorrect pricing, inability to make the entrepreneurial transition. This affects. So I hope you understand the mistakes entrepreneurs make as overconfidence, uncontrolled growth, poor location, improper inventory, incorrect pricing of goods, inability to make the entrepreneurial transitions. This involves all activities. So next thing children, factors influencing the growth of entrepreneurship: ideas, capital, technology and people. Both are interrelated because first we have to develop idea about our product, then we use technology, we need a capital also That means some money for starting our business. Next one is the people to whom you will deliver your services and goods. So there are some factors influencing the growth of entrepreneurship. That is social factor, the fulfillment of being your own boss, the desire for self-actualization. So this is also an advantage of your entrepreneurship, that you are the boss of your own organization or company. So you can utilize your resources and you can set up your business by your own. You are the owner, you are the person who is able to manage each and everything in your own business. So there are some drawbacks of entrepreneurship. So you have to tell me the reason. Write in your notebook which drawbacks are most disturbing to you and why. Can anything be done to reduce them?